Thank you all so much for being out here today. We're so happy to see such a big crowd. My name is Meg Carlin. I'm a local activist, and I'm really excited to be here as well. Women don't need Planned Parenthood. Some of us carry signs today that say just that, and all of us believe it. And yet, our friends on the other side of the street, our counter-protesters, will tell you that defunding Planned Parenthood will take away from women's access to services that they need. I am here to explain to you today why that is absolutely 100% false. Women need support. Check. Women need to be empowered to make their own healthcare decisions. Check. Women deserve access to healthcare resources by virtue of being human and completely regardless of their socioeconomic class or anything else that may hold any woman back. Check, check, check. As it turns out, we believe the same things as many of our opponents. The one enormous distinction that separates us is that we also believe that a preborn human person has great value, and that no matter how much good any organization does, if they are in any way supporting the killing of the innocent, this cannot be justified. Planned Parenthood is the #1 abortion provider, having performed 325,000 annually for the past few years, according to their own reports. Planned Parenthood receives federal tax dollars. It is our prerogative and our responsibility to protest this. So what else does Planned Parenthood do? A quick trip to their website will give us a pretty thorough description of the services that they provide at this specific location. It is my desire to be honest and fair with you as I share this information, so please know you can look any of it up for yourselves. What I would like to do is compare and contrast. I am making the claim that every single service offered by Planned Parenthood's Fort Wayne location beyond abortion referrals is available at the same cost or less to area men and women in need. Planned Parenthood Fort Wayne provides testing for 8 different STDs. Charges vary and may act on a sliding scale if the patient is uninsured. This service is very valuable to many and should be available to those who need it. The fact is, Planned Parenthood is not the only one to offer it. In fact, Fort Wayne is home to 4 other STD clinics. Most easily accessible is the clinic at the Allen County Department of Health. According to their website, they are open Monday through Friday, more hours per week than Planned Parenthood. They test for more STDs than Planned Parenthood and offer more vaccines. Costs are extremely minimal, typically $30 for adults and $10 for students. Care, testing, and counseling services are completely confidential. Planned Parenthood provides exams to both men and women when they have a sexual health problem. They perform many manual exams for certain cancers, as well as Pap screenings and tests for urinary and vaginal infections. The fact is, these are all very basic healthcare services. For those who have a hard time affording healthcare or who are uninsured, there are thankfully plenty of other options for where they can seek care in our area. From local ministries like Matthew 25, which offers completely free medical and dental care and treats an average of 150 patients per day, to Neighborhood Health Clinics Incorporated, with 2 locations in Fort Wayne. NHC is a federally qualified health center, meeting the highest standards of complete care for those with or without insurance. Both locations exist in federally designated medically undeserved areas where few other medical or dental services are available. They provide complete women's and men's health care in addition to prenatal care, pediatrics, acute care, and full prevention services such as immunizations, far exceeding what is offered at Planned Parenthood. Additionally, those who seek birth control, including hormonal and non-hormonal contraceptives, can receive prescriptions and free or low-cost services here and at other clinics. Across this nation, federally qualified healthcare centers outnumber Planned Parenthood 20 to 1, according to a 2013 report from the Maternal and Child Health Bureau and Planned Parenthood's own report. In Indiana alone, there are 19 federally qualified health centers operating in 108 service sites and serving over 364,000 individuals per year. Women don't need Planned Parenthood because quality healthcare that is centered around our needs already exists, and it is meeting higher standards than their services ever have. This care is readily available, and it is our job to ensure that individuals and families know where they can find it. For a full list of the area services I've just mentioned and others, please see one of today's event coordinators or email Advocates for Justice at advocatesforjusticefw@gmail.com. Before I close, I'd like to mention one more group of resources that is invaluable, not only to our movement and our cause to protect the preborn, but to the thousands locally who utilize their services. These are known as pregnancy resource centers. Our local groups are the Women's Care Center, serving 52 clients per day from their 3 Allen County offices, and a Hope Center with 4 county offices. The services offered daily by these combination medical and support facilities include nurse-administrated pregnancy and, in some cases, STD testing, pregnancy options counseling, prenatal ultrasounds, and referral to outside pregnancy care, assistance programs that provide moms with free diapers and baby items, one-on-one counseling for both men and women, pregnancy and parenting classes, sexual education classes, post-abortion recovery programs, and much more, all for free. I myself have often taken these facilities for granted, only getting limited glimpses at the extent of care that they offer. These centers truly are the epitome of real choice for women. Women who often have very few proper support systems and few resources to obtain them. The bottom line is this: Planned Parenthood claims to be filling a gap, providing services that are not available elsewhere. In reality, our community is well equipped to work with both women and men from a variety of circumstances and is providing them with excellent care. This is just one more reason why in Allen County and across this nation, women do not need Planned Parenthood. Thank you.